What's up, my real estate family? This is Norbert coming to you with another mortgage rate update. The word of the month in the financial markets has been volatility. Uncertainty over tough tariff talks has kept the market swinging up and down almost daily in the month of April. Markets are having a heck of a time digesting all the news and rumors that are coming out almost on a daily basis. You can see in this 10-year treasury chart just how volatile things have been in the bond markets over the past 3 weeks. The same thing is happening in the equities markets. So where are mortgage rates sitting at today? Well, week ending April the 25th, the 30-year conventional rate is sitting at 6.8% according to Mortgage News Daily's rate survey. This is with borrowers paying approximately 1 to 1.25 in discount point to get that rate. FHA and VA rates are typically pricing 3/8 to a half lower than conventional, so you can do the math on those. Check out this 30-year fixed conventional mortgage chart. You can see interest rates were heading down nicely for the first quarter of 2025. We even touched the mid-sixes early April, but since we've spiked up. However, the last 3 days of this week have been a little bit calmer as it relates to tariff chatter. President Trump also came out and calmed the markets a little bit with his statement on Wednesday that he has no intention of firing Fed President Jerome Powell. Every bit helps, I guess. We also got some economic data showing signs of a slowdown in growth. Existing home sales came out this week and it showed negative 5.9% for the month of March, according to NAR. This is lower than what was expected of negative 3%. We also got durable good orders, which came out much hotter than expected at 9.2%, but most of that was due to aircraft orders that came in ahead of the tariffs being implemented. When you take that out, the reading was at 0, which was below the 0.3% increase expected by the markets. The silver lining here is that mortgage rates tend to go down during periods of slowdown in growth. So that might help mortgage rates actually. Next week, we have 3 big economic news releases coming out. On Wednesday, we get first quarter GDP numbers and the Consumer Price Index report, which measures inflation at the consumer level. Then on Friday, we end the week with the BLS jobs report, which is where we get the unemployment rate and the job creation numbers for April. All 3 of these reports are going to have a big impact on mortgage rates. I'll be sitting on the edge of my seat watching it all unfold. Join me next week for another update to find out how it all went down. As always, thank you for watching. Let's get better, let's close more deals, and I'll see you in the next video.